my name's Alan Hutchinson with HTmarket.com. I'm sitting in the Sheffield chair. We developed this new riser system. This is the end piece right here that I'm pointing to. It comes in sections assembled. No, you don't really have to put anything together. It's finished in black on the sides and ready for carpeting. What we're going to do today is take these two seats, the Sheffields that are here, we're going to move them first, and then we're going to place them on top of the riser that's unfinished, and we will carpet it later at a future date, but we wanted to show you how the new riser system works. The two other pieces are over here, basically with that hat on top of it, and those are all packed. They come assembled on a pallet. We had 3 of them come in. They're 24 inches wide. They're 24 inches wide by 82 deep by 8 inches high. So we're going to do that next. We've moved the Sheffield chairs over here. We have our one piece of riser here. I'm going to move the first piece into place over here on the end here. It's pretty easy to move. I'm going to do it right here, like on this edge. I don't know how much space we have yet. Okay, we've moved over this is the middle section of the riser. It's all packed up. It comes with these screws that have a little area you can screw into the other riser. So what we're going to do is unpack this. We're not going to show the unpacking on video, but we're going to unpack this and then place this and show the bottom of the riser on the other side, which shows you what the corner supports and this is all made out of maple wood, made in the USA. So we're going to unpack this. You can see it's all set up here. Alrighty. Unpack the middle riser section. It was covered in shrink wrap. You can see we've got really good support in here. 2 supports all the way through. We've got the corner braces here, under here, and it's all maple hardwood. And what we're gonna do is flip this down now. It has little legs on the bottom too, little feet. That works out nice in every corner. So I'm gonna flip this down. Hopefully not kill myself. On my foot, I'm gonna put it first. All right, so I didn't get my hand, and I'm gonna slip this next to the other riser. I'm back with the third piece of the riser. Got the same corner braces, supports. This is the finished end here, the feet. I'm going to push this down now. I'm just going to hold it from here, the edge. It's got a nice edge. You can put LED lighting around if you want. I've got these cords here, so I'm going to try to just move them out of the way for a little bit. See, it's very solid support. Push this back here. We've got a little room to push the whole thing over. It's kind of like building blocks, not that hard. So we got that. Let's line up the edges. And then you put these screws in here, and they go into the other riser to solidify it so it doesn't move. Really solid. What we're going to do is push them together. It comes with these screws, basically, wood screws, that go in these areas here, and they'll just screw right into the other riser. I'm back and I'm screwing one of these wood screws in, just hand weight. Actually not that hard to do. I think I got it in there. gonna do this, this one here, this one, that one, just on the corners. We're not gonna do all of them. It's nice to get something to put together that only has screws to put together, not any other parts. So we have the rest of the screws. We're not going to put them in now for the demo, but that's basically the gist of it. And that's the riser without chairs. Now we're going to put some chairs on top, unfinished, on the unfinished. We have the HT Design riser system set up, showing it unfinished with two chairs, our curved Sheffield row. It's got plenty of room in front. You got plenty of room in the back to recline. I'm going to recline the seat to show you the room. This is like 72 inches. You got plenty of room on the riser. You're 8 inches up in the air, so you can see over. We also offer the riser in 12 inches high, 8 inches and 12 inches, so you could do a higher riser if you want. I'm going to recline the seat and then show you the room in front of it. That's the headrest. Oops. We don't even have it all pushed back as far as it could be, but if you push it back a little further, there's even more room and even a curve. You can walk right in. If somebody's reclining, they can walk out or buy the riser. The riser is about 82 inches long from the inside part. I'm not measuring. From the outside, it's about another inch, but it's like around 82 here, and then it's another. The edge is about an inch, a little less than an inch, about 9/10, and then it has an overhang here, about 3/4 of an inch, so you can put LED lighting on the edge. Very well built. It's all hardwood maple. So that's the riser system. It's unfinished, so you'd really put a finished carpet on here. It wouldn't be that hard to do, and that's what we're going to do next week. Alan Hutchinson, htmarket.com, showing the HT Design riser system, which you can make pretty much any size, any width you want. HT Design, HT Market. Thank you.